start with the peppers.
Okay. And the oh, hey everybody, it's me, Jake from Deri Dari. Oh yeah, I'm on a live interactive experience right now with Chef Johnny, who's in Florida. And that's one of my favorite things about our platform, guys. It's not a YouTube video. So basically what I have here is the opportunity to speak with a chef while I prepare. What?
Hey, it looks like your pot's about to boil over.
Oh, well, hold on a second, guys, hold on. Yeah, that's true. I am about to boil over this right now. That's one of the advantages, guys, is having a live chef right here on my computer to tell me when, once again, Johnny, I think I'm out of this. Can we make a substitution here? Because I think I've burned it all over. That's possible?
Yeah, no.
Cool. That's what I'm saying, guys. Basically, at Deri Dari, we're not a YouTube video. We have our chefs right there in your kitchen, interacting with you, giving you advice, and telling you when your pot's about to boil over. That's all for today, guys. Thank you very much. So, Johnny, what do I have to do next?